This year's winner of the Visionary Award is 3UK, a leading mobile and broadband network operator. In 2016, the company made a bold decision to be one of the first operators to go all in on a cloud-first strategy with Microsoft Azure. The 3UK team chose TIBCO BusinessWorks, TIBCO Messaging, and TIBCO Cloud Mastery software to interconnect all applications. This year, 3UK expanded its TIBCO Cloud integration investment and extended messaging to provide Kafka support. Starting in 2020, it will implement TIBCO streaming software to support 3GPP standards and deliver bill policy services across 3G, 4G, and 5G regional networks. With TIBCO's integration and real-time streaming products, 3UK will reduce time to market from months to hours, aim to reduce IT costs by 31%, and replace 350 on-premise applications with 100 cloud services, all supported by TIBCO. The TIBCO Trailblazer Visionary Award, 3UK.